Welcome to our English listening channel. Hello everyone. Today you will follow a simple conversation between two adults who need to book a hotel room in New York. Have you ever booked a hotel room in English? Do not worry. The characters will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
We are finally in New York, Charlie.
Yes, this is amazing. But we need to find a hotel room.
You are right. We do not have a reservation.
That was not a good idea. New York hotels are always busy.
Do not worry. We can find something good.
I hope so. Let us look for a nice hotel.
Yes, we need a clean and safe place to stay.
And not too expensive. We want to save money for food.
What kind of hotel do you prefer, Charlie?
I want a hotel in Manhattan, near the subway.
Good idea. We can travel easily around the city.
Do we need a luxury hotel or a simple one?
A simple hotel is fine. We just need a clean room.
And a private bathroom, please.
Of course. What about breakfast?
If the hotel has breakfast, that would be perfect.
Let me search for hotels on my phone. I found 3 hotels near Times Square.
Times Square sounds good. What are the prices?
This hotel costs $150 per night.
That is expensive. What about the other hotels?
This one costs $90 per night.
Much better. Does it have good reviews?
Yes, people say it is clean and quiet.
Perfect. Let us call them now.
Good idea. I will call the hotel. Hello, I would like to book a room, please.
Ask them if they have rooms available tonight.
Do you have any rooms available for tonight?
And ask about tomorrow night, too.
We need the room for 2 nights, please.
What did they say?
They have rooms available. That is great news.
Ask them about the room types.
What types of rooms do you have? They have single rooms and double rooms.
We need 2 single rooms, please.
We would like 2 single rooms, please.
Ask about the price.
How much does a single room cost per night?
And ask if the price includes breakfast.
Does the price include breakfast?
What did they say about breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included in the price.
Excellent. That saves us money.
Does the hotel have Wi-Fi?
Good question. We need internet for our work.
They say Wi-Fi is free for all guests.
Ask them about parking.
Do you have parking available?
And ask about the gym or fitness center.
Is there a fitness center in the hotel?
What did they say?
They have a small gym on the 2nd floor. We want to check in today, November 15th.
And we will check out on November 17th.
So we need the rooms for 2 nights.
Ask them about check-in time.
What time can we check in today?
And what time is checkout?
What time is checkout on Sunday?
Perfect. That gives us enough time.
Check-in is at 3 p.m. and checkout is at 11 a.m. They need our personal information for the booking.
Okay, give them my name first.
The first guest name is Charlie Johnson.
And your name is Sarah Miller.
The second guest name is Sarah Miller.
Do they need our phone number?
Yes, they want a contact phone number.
Give them your phone number.
Our phone number is 555-874-3210. Let me confirm the details with you.
Yes, please repeat everything.
So, we have 2 single rooms for 2 nights.
From November 15th to November 17th.
Yes, that is correct.
And the total price?
The total price is $180.
Including breakfast and Wi-Fi?
Yes, breakfast and Wi-Fi are included.
Excellent. This sounds perfect.
How do you want to pay for the rooms?
Ask if they accept credit cards.
Do you accept credit card payments?
I have a Visa card.
We would like to pay with a Visa credit card.
Ask about the payment time.
When do we pay? Now or at the hotel?
What did they say?
We can pay when we arrive at the hotel. Can you give me a confirmation number, please?
Yes, we need that number for check-in.
Let me write down the confirmation number.
Make sure you write it correctly.
The confirmation number is ABC1234.
Perfect. Ask them about the hotel address.
What is the hotel address, please?
And ask about the nearest subway station.
Which subway station is closest to the hotel? Thank you very much for your help.
Great job, Sarah. We have a hotel room.
The hotel staff was very friendly and helpful.
Now we can check in and rest.
I am excited to see our rooms.
And tomorrow we can explore New York.
This will be an amazing trip.
Let us go to the hotel now.
Yes, I am ready to check in.
I hope this video helped you improve your English. Have you ever booked a hotel room in English? Please share your experience in the comments. Learning these simple phrases can help you travel with more confidence. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time. Goodbye.